Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can search for someone by their phone number on Snapchat. So first of all, launch your app, get logged into your account, then tap onto the Bitmoji on your top left. In here, access settings on your top right. Scroll all the way below until you see contact syncing. So first of all, you're going to have to sync your contact. Now as you can see, my contacts are already synced because it is showing me remove synced contacts from Snapchat. So if your contacts have not been synced yet, go ahead and do that. Now on the chats, you will see a plus button under friends. Tap onto it. And right at the section, what you have to do is you're going to have to find the people. And if they are from your chats, you will immediately see this in my contacts. So guys, this is what happens when people are in your contacts. You can easily find them by their phone number. All you have to do is maybe search for their phone number, or if they have a Snapchat account, they will automatically be shown under your friends saying in my contacts. So this is how it's done. Thank you for watching.